mo kwesịrị ihe so mgbe je beri ala ka Pascal na ọ na-akwa nne ya.
Will you keep quiet?
Ama m nọbụrụ taa. Mbọsọ na-akwa nne ya bụ na 3rd of September. 3rd of September.
Continue.
Ọ na 3rd of September ka ọ na-atọ mana achọrọ m ka mụ na gị soro ka anyị jegodo di ya taa. Iwetago mụ na anyị tie di ya ka akwụkwọ ka esi adị ka mmadụ esi wee kwado. Ogoja kpọọ masị m na ọ na-akwa nne ya na September. Sa achọrọ m gị ọbụ ya mara ka esi eli nne. Ọ sị na nne eji esi ebiri ịba nta tọrọ m ka nlifa mebi ebi ebi. Ọ bụ na eme aga ka m kpọọ ezigbo arọ m chifere isi akwa aka. Ọ si ifele ewute mgbe ọ na-atụ iwu. Ọ ka mmadụ eji ebida akwa ya bikọta tụrụ m na nke webere interested.
Hello, my son. The money so I never get am o. Abi you wan knack madam me. Tell me say you go send me money since so you never send am o. I know say una wey go obodo oyibo so una can do anything or do anything. Na people dey tell you. Forget wetin I talk. I dey pray for you for here. I want make you be like Onyeka Pascal Onyeka Pascal one of una know before you travel go obodo oyibo. That rich man so. He dey bury papa on the 3rd of next month o. September 3rd o.
Telling me the truth.
So that money and I dey send me that money. Say that money was service o. I go see go phone wey go get it for there na so the big man. And you can do it. I know you go fit do myself. No wahala o. I dey pray for you for this side. I know say this hard for now. No wahala I go do am. Abeg do the money o. I dey wait for you. So the man dey call me now. Don't dey call me.
I don't like this guy. You know Pascal or Onyeka Pascal? You know in the room Papa Beria. No be today, na September 3rd now. So me I won't go that place today. So I won't follow the plan everything. If na car where I go kill cow. Not my papa that I don't think it's not my papa. Me your mind down. You want to
Na you wan go shop for them abi?
you know they like food. You know they like food. They only have rubber allo. Onyeka Pascal, o si abia. I na akwa nne ya. You want to go na 3rd. If only kalẹ̀. Omoro anyi from na so. Atom can put this bar about what can this my guy go this guy dey chop food well so he go chop the whole food he don say food wey dey kalabalo and am guy na so aya gabago come follow me go there make go chop food akpala ibo Onyeka Pascal osin ya na akwa nni oso ya bu na ba no ya lia e watago ile abia dia follow ogu ugo respect yourself emekwa na ikwo na akwa ndi ami bia ikwo na akwa ndi ami just follow ogu ugo beli ni ko gwala anyị anam ka anyị na-eje na mmụọ ba nam onye na-egwu di ebo bịara nwoke na-eke enu okpuru iwetago egwu n'elu egwu na-eke enu okpuru ọ nọ di life iwetago mụ abụba si na chi mma nọkwa di iwetago ntụọ gị n'ọkụ